Good morning, student. Today we are going to read the chapter number 5 in Geography Industries. In this chapter, we have discussed about the different topics: cotton textile industries and type of industries, basis of different activity. Now here the last topic of that lesson, information technology, that is called IT. Okay. Information technology is a new addition in the service industries. As you know, in ancient time, people were did the work by hand. Then after that, machineries are came. But now today's days, the technology are developed, and nowadays we are using the industries different type of the technology technical things, that is called information technology. In this technology, the main equipment which we use, the computer. Okay, the information technology, this is the new addition, that is the new system of the service industry. This is also known as the knowledge based industries. The information technology, it is known as knowledge based industries because of in information technology we use the computer as for the purpose of the industry work. Lot of account and other things, the design of the things are worked by the computer. So that's why it is called the knowledge based industry. They primarily deal with the storage, processing and distribution of the information. I mean, primarily deals means information technology. First we store the data, then that data is processed, and after that we distribute that data for the information. So in the information in technology industries, it is called the IT industries, including the service renders and the consumer on computer, radio, television, mobile phone, fax. These are the appliances are used for that purpose. We are using the computer, we are using the radio, television, mobile phones and fax. Okay, for doing our work we are using these technologies. That is called, it is information technology. Okay, in that IT technology, in IT sector, the computer is the most important equipment in the world. As in, the first computer was developed by USA in 1946 for the purpose of defense work. Okay, for the defense means for in the army, for keep the data secure and safe. The USA developed the first computer in 1946. As you know, the father of computer is known Charles Babbage. First time the Charles Babbage invented the computer. That's why he is called the father of computer. The first time USA in 1946 he developed the first computer. That computer had to store large information in teeny chips. We are using the chips, memory card. Okay. Data copies. Okay, so first time that computer, it stored very large amount of information in a very small chip. That's why it is very useful for the work. And although in India it started late, but it is rapid progress in the development of software. In our country it is come in very late in 1985 86. But it is work start very rapidly, very fast, and develop the different software for the work. It is have to reducing the brain drain from India Western world. Okay, due to the help of computer, we can use the brain drain of the Western culture. And the main factor of the help development and growth of IT industry is the USA are the availability, resources, cost of development of infrastructure. So in the main factor which help the development and growth of IT industry in India and the USA are the availability of resources, cost of development of infrastructure. Now IT industry in Bengaluru. Okay, as you know, Bengaluru, it is the capital of Karnataka. It is also called the Bangalore. Bengaluru is also called the Bangalore. This is the IT center of the India. Why? Because of Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. It is located in the southern part of Deccan Plateau. So the Bengaluru region also called the Silicon Plateau. Okay, Bengaluru is called the Silicon Valley of India. Why? Because when you see the chip, you have seen the SIM card, we have seen the memory card, we have seen the floppy disk, you have seen the pen drive. when you seen that there is a small yellow color structure are found on the surface of the SIM card or on the chip. Okay, that yellow color substance is made by the silicon. Silicon, a type of element which is used for the storing the things. That's why it is called the Silicon Valley. So Bengaluru is called the Silicon Valley of the India. And experience more than when you read the detail of the Bengaluru, you have seen is the milestone of our country. As for the purpose, high-tech industries, all the computer industries are located in Bengaluru city. Indian Telephone Industries, okay, this is located in Bengaluru. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Hindustan Aeronautics, from where the scientists went to the Hindustan Aeronautics, they went to the other places, I mean to say in space. Bharat Electronic Limited, Hindustan Machinery Limited, and Indian Space Research Center, ISRO, that is called ISRO, ISRO, Indian Space Research Center. These all are the industries, all are the main IT centers are located in the Bengaluru. That's why the large surveillance technique or educated people, there are also a large number of college imparting techniques. So in this city, lot of college of the computer and computer science and technologies, and Bengaluru is the major center of manufacturing the transportation. So the computer software companies started established in 1980s. Okay, so in Bengaluru the computers are established in 1980. The pioneer among the Infosys technology, which developed link with the many global companies. Same as in Karnataka, the lot of the foreigner country also in IT policy 1992, several multinational companies such as Hewlett Packard, IBM, Siemens, Motorola, Kambach are opened. The different companies, those are related from the other countries, they are collision here, and there is open their collision industry in the Bengaluru. In the computer machine in Bengaluru, there is a 2 lakh software professionals are working in the Bengaluru. Near about 2 lakh people were working here. That's why it is called the Silicon Valley of East. And nowadays lot of IT industries are established in all over the India, like as Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad, Gurgaon, Noida, Pune, Chandigarh, Tiruvananthapuram, Kochi. These are also the places nowadays those have the lot of IT industries. Okay, so today we have read about information technology. The lesson is finished. One is the IT industry, Silicon Valley of USA. We have read in next video. So thank you.